Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can adjust or change the size of your page in MS Word. So first let's open our MS Word document. Now to change the size of your page, or if you want to change the type of your page from A3 or A4 to any other document size, all you need to do is simply click on the layout tab right here. Once you click on the layout tab, you can see this size option right here under the page setup option. Simply click on the size button right here and it will give you a variety of different customized options like the letter format or the tabloid or any legal document format, the statement format, the executive format, or to suit any A3, A4 or A5 papers, any B4 or B5 papers as well. Now, if you want any custom sizes for the page of your Word document, you can simply click on this More Paper Sizes option right here. Once you click on it, you can choose the paper size from right here, or you can also adjust the width and height from here. For example, I will be changing the height and width to say 25 centimeter in width and say 30 centimeters in height. So now, once you have set the width and height of the page, you can simply choose it by clicking on this OK button right here. And once you click on it, you can see that the width and height of the page has been changed. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.